G'day viewers, well, I'm going to try and rig this up to this power supply. Hope this thing can push enough amps, because that's actually just a dodgy reading. That's not the correct amp reading. Got this little FM transmitter, which I forgot I had. Just plug a flash drive in, we'll play MP3s and I think WMAs as well directly to your car. Just plug it into your cigarette lighter and it reads off the drive, and you just press play and go. It's pretty cool, powerful of a transmitter. You can't actually tune it like you can on a dial. It's got like preset settings on it. Zeros, stops, 1, 88.9, 2, 88.7, and it goes right through to 87.7 and 88.1. Yeah. 88.9, I think that's the highest it can go. So yeah, it's not very much of a range, but it's still pretty good. I'm going to power it up with this and give it a test, because I just repaired it. I actually buggered these clips up on it, so I had to repair these clips. When done that, the bloody antenna came up, disconnected inside off the board, so I had to resolder it as well. But other than that, I fixed it all up now, so give it a quick test. Get this bloody power supply set up. We'll get this set up properly, then we can we'll demonstrate it. Okay viewers, well beforehand, test how much amp reading this gave out. I did a real dodgy way of measuring this. I shot it directly across this amp meter. I got to 3.9 amps DC, so not the best, it's not the recommended way to test an amp meter with no load, but the full force is about 3.9 amps, which is pretty much good for this. This pretty much requires 5 amps. That's plenty of power for this. I want to try and integrate that, drill a hole and put it in here. So a permanent cigarette lighter socket in a CD case. Here's just a 12 volt power supply from an old boom box, which went bad. I wired it up as such, tapped the wire in, bypassed it and plugged in the battery switch from the boom box and put power straight to the primary transformer, which uses 4 Zener diodes and tantalum oxide capacitors as a filtration. But I put an extra filtration, put a bipolar electrolytic in as extra filtration, and there's no hum. Now this song I'm playing is off a free to share website, so let's give you a demonstration of this song. Like I turn the volume up by holding this, but this thing goes so loud that it distorts when it transmits. So I gotta get it. You gotta adjust it so it doesn't distort in high bass. That's working pretty good. So now I'm gonna. Yeah, as I was saying, there's actually no hum either coming through this, so that's good. So I'm going to integrate that into this. So drill a hole somewhere here or here, maybe in the side will do. So that will go in there, through a hole saw, drill a hole there with a hole saw, screw that in there. Because this is out of a Commodore, came out of our VN, which we parted out, scrapped. So I'm going to, everything's there. Except for the light, don't really need the interior light for it. But yeah, that's just going to drill the hole to set that, screw it in here, and I can use this thing around the house. Pretty good little transmitter. The brand is Rampage. I bought it from Autobarn about 3 years ago. So, and they're both wired up through the email meter, and it's barely kicking over. Very, very barely kicking over, so this is pretty much chewing no power how I'm doing this, so yeah. Let's see how this works here, because I've already redneck hot glued everything and made this an external setup, so let's see what happens. I'll try my best to get this thing to wire up and put that in, so let's give it a go. Okay viewers, I managed to get the soldering done, which is all put together. Try and get it to resume playback. Perfect. The meter's barely kicking over. Okay. Now I could use this thing around the house. I listen to stuff on FM radio and say, cool. My little redneck 12 volt cigarette lighter adapter is finished, so yeah. Now they've got this meter set up, let's see what else I can meter. I'll turn this off. Let's see what else I can meter. Maybe some electric motor starts. Let's try that. Washing machine motor. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Pretty responsive. But once the motor runs, it's pretty much not using much at all. Okay, let's try the big rusty old evaporative air cooler fan motor. Untangle those wires. Just probably going to use more because it's a bigger motor. Oh yeah, that is a fair bit. Yeah. Let's try this little wash machine pump. That shouldn't use much, it's only a little shattered pole motor, so let's see what that does. Yeah, that's pretty much a little bit more than what I thought, but it is a commercial rated motor, so not too bad at all. But yeah, that's enough for today, so thanks for watching.